What's up, everybody? Nightmare 48 here, and hang on. All right. Today I'm going to be, as you can tell in the title, it's my homemade paper, you know, butterfly knife. It works pretty good. I made it I got finished with it about a few moments ago and stuff. Like I said, I have the laptop right here. I was just making this. I had all the materials. I had paper. I had some staples I could have used. I got tape, hot glue, and scissors are downstairs. But yeah, this is my homemade. I have this little Here, I'll show you. I have this little tripod light that's showing at me. So yeah, I need to get a big one. But onto this, and I missed. Oh wait, no I didn't. Okay, I'm good. But I made this just a few minutes ago, and it works pretty good. That's the only down issue I have is whenever I flip it, it sometimes doesn't flip back like I want it to, so I have to, you know. But yeah, it flips really good. If you want me to make one, like a tutorial on how to make one, just comment down below and everything. And I will, teach you how to make one. It was a long time before me to make this one, because all the materials, some of the materials I did not have. So I improvised instead. So like right here is supposed to be paper clip, or not paper clips, but right here is supposed to be some toothpicks, but instead I got some Q-tips, clipped them off, hot glued them right here, and everything. So yeah, I just hot glued some Q-tips right there. So, you know what? Hang on. That's probably way better. No, it ain't. That's horrible. I mean, there we go. But yeah, I built this, I guess, a couple minutes ago, probably about an hour ago. I stayed up all night, actually trying to build one of these. I did get my hair cut, like, around the side and trimmed off the top last night, around, like, 1 or so. But yeah, I'm thinking of trying to make a Lego butterfly knife, and also getting, like, the actual thing, sharp blade and everything. I'm going to try to get one of those for my birthday, which is coming up next month, and stuff like that. So yeah, but all as well, or that one word I can't think of. I don't expect y'all to know that word I'm thinking of. But yeah, it's actually pretty good. It handles really good until it breaks. I don't know when that's going to be, but it's probably going to be soon. But yeah, like I said, it does handle great. I can flip it very well. It has that's like, there we go. But yeah, I see. There we go. All right, so this is what it looks like folded up halfway, all the way unfolded, and you can move it. Like the real one, you can move at the same time. But basically, what I used is paper, hot glue, tape, and 2 Q-tips. It's basically all you need for to making one of these. But then after, you know what, I'm not even going to tell y'all. If y'all want to see a tutorial on how to make this, just leave that in comments down below. If you're new to this channel, you know, it's growing. Go ahead and subscribe and like this video, share it with your friends. But yeah, if my voice and everything sounds like this, it's because I stayed up all night doing things and stuff like that. I don't know why I'm just rambling, but okay. I will try to be making like other things other than just these. Like, I'll make this out of wood, and then I'll try to do like a blade, like my own homemade blade, like make the blade itself, put it in, like attached to the wood and everything, or I just make the entire thing out of wood, which I might do, or popsicle sticks. We'll do like a video walkthrough type thing on my Nintendo 64, you know, that old console, and I might be playing Zelda Ocarina of Time. I've already beaten the game, so yeah, so I might be doing like a walkthrough on that and stuff, so let's see in the future. But I hope y'all like this video. Please subscribe, comment down below. It will really help out the channel. And if y'all want to see more videos like this or gaming or whatever, just leave that in the comment down below. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all I gotta say about the butterfly knife. Well, god dang, there we go. This one, or this way. So either this way, if I can, there we go, that cool style, and then also there we go. Well, see you in the next video. Peace.